find every person under the sound of my voice, like me, who has made mistakes, who has failed God, who has fallen, who has had bad seasons, and felt like you was unusable because of your mistake. The devil is a liar. I want to remind somebody who feels crushed under the weight of self-condemnation and guilt and shame, or because of your past, you feel like God can't use somebody like you. But if God finds a humble and contrite heart, man, he can restore anybody. You have not outsinned his grace. There is nothing you have done that is stronger than the blood. If your sin was stronger than the blood, the cross was not enough. But the cross is enough. And from the cross, he's able through grace to restore you back to fellowship again. It doesn't matter how far you have gone, how many mistakes you have made, or how much you condemn yourself. You have not outsinned his grace.